So we start off today's video with this amazing hair transformation. She has hair that ends just around the shoulders. And she's decided to switch things up with this shaggy pixie mullet variation. I absolutely love this cut. So much texture and layers mixed in. And this is one of the hottest hair trends that we are seeing in 2023. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be taking a look at a variety of short hairstyles, hair transformations, options, and ideas that you can play around with this season. So if you've been thinking of some new ways to shake up your boring strands, you've come to the right place. If you do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, please be sure to like today's video, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So next up, we do see a bob haircut transformation. It looks like the stylist is doing a traditional blunt style bob for this one. Bangs were added in the front. And then we move on to someone who has a bob haircut. And she has decided to switch things up with a pixie. Love it. Wow, so inspiring. She looks amazing with the pixie style. So next up we have someone with another pixie haircut. So she's going to be showing us how she styles this. And it looks like she does have more of that shaggy pixie mullet cut. And she really plays into the look by the way she styles her hair. So she's combing down the bangs, blowing them out. And this is actually a really great style to try if you are growing out more of like a traditional pixie and you're looking for something to do with it in between. Beautiful. I love the shape and texture that she created. Next up, we see someone with long hair. So the stylist goes in and adds some color. Looks like she's going with more like a bright blonde for this one. Gorgeous. And she does end up getting some more hair extensions. Beautifully done. So then we move on to our last hair transformation of today. So I already really like her hair as it is. She kind of has like a mullet style, like a modern mullet. But she's going to be going more pink. Oh, I can't wait to see how this is gonna look. This is definitely somebody that likes to have a lot of fun with their hair. Oh, wow. So pretty. I love the fact that her brows were dyed too. Very nice. Alright, you guys, so I hope you were able to find some hair inspiration within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends.